Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my May BoxyCharm unboxing. I know we're like basically in June now, but my box just got here today. Today's the 27th and it just got here. I just want to go ahead and right into the unboxing actually because I've been waiting for this box for weeks now. Let me know if you guys got your box a little bit later in the month. I'm pretty sure it's probably just because of shipping delays with COVID and everything. All right, so I just opened my box and I actually didn't get the little card that tells you all of the products and the prices, which makes me kind of sad because I really like to know the value of my box every month. Maybe I can look up the products and let you guys know. But yeah, it didn't come with any kind of info card. All I got is this little card that I think they just sent out to influencers to disclose that this was gifted by BoxyCharm. So this was gifted by BoxyCharm. You guys know I always have my affiliate link with BoxyCharm in my description box too. And I'm like trying to like tear this box apart to find the little card because I really love to know the value of everything, to let you guys know the prices, and it also helps me like know if the box is like a good, well, obviously like a good value, if the box is worth it. But let's just get into it. So this first product is from Daily Concepts. This is a shampoo bar. And I think I could already smell it. Oh, this is, yeah, I like the smell of this. It smells like a little bit herbally and it has some kind of rope situation stuck to it. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, so that's actually a lot better because you don't have to have it like sitting in your shower. You can just hang it up, which makes it a lot nicer. Yeah, it doesn't really say like what hair type. It says it has avocado oil in it, but that's kind of it. I will use it. I like the idea of this. I've never really tried a shampoo bar. Actually, I think I might have tried one from Lush like 10 years ago. It does remind me of like a Lush product. It reminds me of when you walk into Lush, like that's what it smells like basically. So I will definitely try that out now. My hands are like covered in shampoo. Next up, I feel like this is gonna be a really underwhelming box and I'm already like disappointed because I didn't get the info about it, but also seeing the products. I don't think this is gonna be a good box. I'm happy that I'm getting my June box hopefully in like the next week or two to make up for it. But next up, this is a palette from Studio Makeup. This looks exactly how I was picturing it in my head. It reminds me of like those kind of knockoff Naked palette. And like it looks fine, but I have this palette in a million different forms in my collection, so I'm not interested. Just like I can tell I don't even want to swatch it. Next up, this is a mascara. Jet Black Volume Mascara by Blink. I know I've tried out their mascaras in the past from maybe little baby samples from Sephora, and I think honestly like Birchbox like 6 or 7 years ago. I kind of forgot about this brand. Okay, so this is a cute wand. It really reminds me of the Benefit Roller Lash wand, which is actually one of my top favorite mascaras. So I am gonna go ahead and try this out right away. I think it was last month. I want to say it was BoxyCharm. It was BoxyCharm or Ipsy, but I'm pretty sure it was BoxyCharm last month that I got this mascara from Ciate, the triple shot mascara. I don't like this one. I'm not going to finish it up. It's just like a little bit gloopy and the brush is too big, but the brush is definitely good on this one. It's not even a full size. It looks like it looks pretty small. And then the next product, this is like so underwhelming. I'm so sorry guys. Hopefully this is like a quick video. I can get this out of the way. And the next product is from Pretty Vulgar. This is a brand I keep forgetting about too because I feel like they came out really strong about 2-3 years ago and they kind of fell under the radar. So this is an eyeshadow primer. Oh, okay. So that's why it's small. That makes sense because this is a full-size primer. And the coloring of this is just like a regular beige. It does seem matte, probably comparable to the Urban Decay Primer Potion. All right, and then lastly, we have the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. I hope this is like an overnight mask. Oh no, this is a mask you only leave on for 10 minutes. Ooh. Oh, that smells like yogurt. It literally looks like you can just eat it. It's like the texture of berry yogurt. It looks like it has like real berries in there too. But it says tissue off and smooth in any excess. Okay, so you don't really need to rinse it off. I could apply it probably like an overnight mask. Let me know if you guys have tried that with this, because it doesn't say to rinse off the product. It just says to take a tissue and remove like the most of it, and then blend the rest of it in. So I will probably just use this like an overnight mask and just do like a thin layer, like a moisturizer, and not like a thick moisturizing mask. Let me see if I can give you guys like quick estimates of the prices, because I really love to know the value of my box. The Glam Glow, $49. Okay, so that makes me happy. Glam Glow is always pretty pricey, and I especially like the Glam Glow products like this that are more moisturizing, or like you can wear overnight and not the masks that dry out really quickly. So this is 49 bucks. I'm glad I'm looking up the prices of everything, because this is a BoxyCharm exclusive eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $35, which makes no sense to me, because I feel like a naked palette or a high-end palette is like $10 more, and it looks so much better than this. This reminds me of the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded, and I ended up decluttering that palette, so I don't want the like knockoff version of that. I'm trying to like add up everything on my own and see if I can tell you guys like the actual price of my BoxyCharm. All right, so the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer is $22. I'm just trying to add everything up on my own here. So we're at 106 so far with the 3 products. So this is actually a mascara primer. It says Black Lash Primer. I just assumed it was a mascara because it's black, but I guess that makes more sense than like a white mascara primer. Do you guys end up using mascara primers? Like, I've used the one from Grande Lash and I really like that, but sometimes it's almost as many steps and as much time as just like throwing on some lashes, but I'll give this a try. So this retails for $26, which I think is kind of pricey for a mascara primer. So lastly, my Shampoo Bar from Daily Concepts retails for $24. And I'm just so happy that I was able to find the prices of everything, because that was gonna drive me crazy, because I love, well, first of all, I like to put it in the thumbnail. But I also like to tell you guys the value. That's like the most exciting part of the BoxyCharm, is to figure out whether or not it's a good value. So it is a $156 value this month. So it's right around like the normal average with my BoxyCharms are usually between like $130 and $170. So it looks like the theme of the box this month was Mother Nature. So that kind of makes sense with the like eco-friendly vegan shampoo bar. I'm not sure about the other products, but that's totally cool with me. And because I don't have the info card, I can't give you guys the info on what number I got this month, but I'm also sure you guys already got your BoxyCharms by now, because I know you use that info to find out if we're gonna get similar boxes. And then the weight of my box was 1.1 pounds. So that's all the info on my BoxyCharm this month, and that is everything for this unboxing. I'm just happy. Hopefully I get my June box on time and it comes in like the next 2 weeks, so I can just move on to the June box that's hopefully less random. But that is everything for today's video. If you guys are interested in BoxyCharm, I will leave my affiliate link down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.